Okay, it is July 4th and I'm at 6,400 feet, high desert of Nevada. They're still bringing in multiple pollen sources. Most interesting to me at the moment is a really dark purple pollen, and it seems to be, it was coming in earlier this morning. I'm not seeing it so much now. Now it's a dark orange color, and there's also a light yellow color. I know they're picking up from the wild rose. So at least three different floral sources. I'm going to try and identify what that purple one is, because they're bringing in a lot of it, at least early in the morning. Not too much to report on the beehive. It's like I said, July 4th, and what's that, April, close to 3 months, is that right? 2 months, or whatever, I'll work it out later. I supered last week, no, week before, 2 weeks, I supered 2 weeks ago, but they really haven't moved up into the top super at all. And what I did today was I moved 2 frames of brood from the bottom up into the top to try and encourage them using the top. But I think the biggest problem is there is just not a lot of nectar around. Plenty of pollen, but not enough nectar. So I'm going to try feeding even more. I've still been feeding pretty regularly, and try and encourage them to move up into that top box and start working it. Just trying to catch these bees working. There's one. So it's July 4th, and the bees are working the flower from the rose hips, and they're collecting a light yellow pollen. Okay, I'm not sure what this is. It's 4th of July, 6,400 feet. I guess it's a legume of some sort. Seems to have these little seed pods, and fairly large seeds or beans or whatever. Seems to be quite a lot of this at the higher elevations. So I wonder if my bees are working on this. Seems to be about done. So it's finished flowering almost. I say that because it's got quite a lot of pods on it already, which seem to be fully formed, and the flower seems to be about done.